Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to exploring a small, but fascinating country located in East Africa, Burundi. Despite its size, Burundi is rich in culture, history, and natural beauty. Burundi is a landlocked country in East Africa. It's bordered by Rwanda to the north, Tanzania to the east and south, and the Democratic Republic of Congo to the west. The country covers an area of about 27,834 square kilometers, making it one of the smallest nations on the African continent. One of Burundi's most stunning features is Lake Tanganyika, the second deepest freshwater lake in the world. The terrain is mostly hilly and mountainous, with the highest point being Mount Hiha, at 2,684 meters above sea level. The climate here is equatorial, with 2 rainy seasons and 2 dry seasons. The Burundian flag is a vibrant symbol of unity and hope. It features 3 colors: red, green, and white. The white cross divides the flag into 4 parts, with red symbolizing the struggles for independence, and green representing hope and future development. The center of the flag has 3 red stars outlined in green, standing for unity, work, and progress, the country's national motto. Gitega itself became the capital in 2019, replacing Bujumbura. As the capital, it serves as the administrative and political hub of Burundi, blending modern government institutions with a rich cultural heritage. The city is home to vibrant traditions and historical sites that reflect the essence of Burundian culture, including regular performances by traditional drummers and cultural festivals. The official currency of Burundi is the Burundian franc, BIF. It is used in all transactions within the country, from bustling markets to modern businesses. Burundian culture is deeply rooted in traditions that emphasize community, storytelling, and the arts, especially drumming and dancing, which play vital roles in celebrations and rituals. Education in Burundi has made significant progress over the years. Primary education is compulsory and free, and the literacy rate has been steadily improving, now standing at around 68%. However, access to quality education is limited in rural areas, and many schools lack adequate resources. The University of Burundi, located in the capital city of Gitega, is one of the country's most prominent institutions of higher learning. Burundi's economy is primarily agricultural, with over 80% of the population engaged in farming. Coffee and tea are the main export crops, while bananas, cassava, and sweet potatoes are staples for local consumption. Despite economic challenges, there is a growing focus on diversification through tourism, mining, and small-scale industries. Artisanal crafts, such as basket weaving and drumming, also contribute to the local economy. Burundi has several must-visit places that showcase its beauty and culture. Here are a few highlights. Lake Tanganyika, perfect for swimming, fishing, and enjoying scenic views. Kibera National Park, a lush rainforest home to chimpanzees, monkeys, and exotic birds. Ruzizi National Park, known for its hippos and crocodiles. Gitega National Museum offers a glimpse into Burundi's rich cultural heritage. The Source of the Nile, a fascinating spot claimed to be one of the Nile River's many sources. Carrera Waterfalls, a breathtaking natural wonder. Here are some fun and surprising facts about Burundi. Burundi is one of the few countries where drumming is considered a sacred art form. The royal drummers of Burundi are world famous for their performances. The country celebrates Unity Day every February 5th, emphasizing the importance of national harmony. Traditional dishes like isom, cassava leaves, and ugali, a cornmeal dish, are staples of Burundian cuisine. Cows are a symbol of wealth and status in Burundian culture, often given as dowries during weddings. Kirundi, French and English are the official languages, but Swahili is also widely spoken, especially in commerce. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Burundi. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment down below.